3,200 in a saving account paying 6% compound quarterly for 5 years. Find the compound amount and the interest earned at the end of the investment period. P equal RM 3,200, K equal 6% or 0.06, T equal 5, M equal 4, and equal 20, and I equal 0.06 per 4. We can use the formula S equal P bracket 1 plus I. So, as we know, S equal RM 3,200 bracket 1 plus 0.06 per 4, 20. So, we get the answer S equal RM 4,309.94 cents. So we can use the second formula, I equal S minus P. I equal RM 4,309.94 cents minus RM 3,200. So the answer is I is RM 11,009.94. So let's move to question 2. Hakim received a bonus of 25,000 and want to invest it for 5 years. 2 investment options are available. Option X, Amanah Finance, 5.95% compound monthly. Option Y, Unity Islamic Bank, 6.1% compound quarterly. Find the future compound amount and the interest earned for both options. Option X, P equal RM 25,000, K equal 5.95% or 0.0595, T equal 5, M equal 12, N equal 60, I equal 0.0595 per 12. So we can use the formula S equal P bracket 1 plus I bracket N. S equal RM 25,000 bracket 1 plus 0.0595 per 12 bracket 60. So we get the answer S equal RM 33,637.47. So we use the next formula is I equal S minus P. I equal RM 33,637.47 minus RM 25,000. So we get the answer I equal RM 8,637.47. For the option Y, we know that P equal RM 25,000, K equal 6.1% or 0.091, T equal 5, M equal 4, N equal 20. So I equal 0.061 per 4. We use the formula S equal P bracket 1 plus I bracket N. S equal RM 25,000 bracket 1 plus 0.061 per 4 bracket 20. So S equal RM 33,837.63. The next formula is I equal S minus P. I equal RM 33,837.63 minus RM 25,000. So that means I equal RM 8,837.63. As Hakim's financial advisor, recommend the better investment and explain why. Option Y is better investment because it offers a higher interest rate compared to option X.
Rizwan made a 10% down payment to purchase an office lot priced at 749,000 ringgit. The remaining balance was financed through a bank loan to be repaid in equal monthly installment of 7,000 ringgit with an interest rate of 2.5% compounded monthly. Calculate the number of equal payments required. The price of office lot is 749,000 ringgit and he made down payment which is 10%. So R equals 7,000, N equals 12, A equals 674,100, K equals 2.5% or 0.025, M equals 12, I equals 0.025, divide 12. So we use the formula A equals R, bracket 1 minus, bracket 1 plus I, bracket the power of negative N, divide I bracket. So all the information we include in the formula, which is A 674,100 equal R, which is 7,000 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.025 divide 12 bracket the power of negative N divide 0.025 over 12 bracket, and 674,100 multiply 0.025 over 12 equals 7,000 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.025 over 12 bracket the power of negative N bracket. So we got 1,404 ringgit 38 cents over 7,000 equal 1 minus bracket 1.002083333 bracket negative the power of negative N. So we got 0.200625 minus 1 equal negative 1.002083333 the power of negative N. And we got negative 0.799375 equal negative 1.002083333 the power of negative N. So we use log to find the t. N equal negative log bracket 0.799375 bracket divide log bracket 1.002083333 bracket, and we got N equal 107.5959921, and the answer is N equal 108. After completing payments for 3 months, Rizwan fails to make the subsequent 2 monthly installments. How much is the buyer required to pay in the 3rd month to settle all outstanding arrears? So N equals 3. So we use the formula S equal R bracket 1 plus I the power of N divide I minus 1 bracket. So S equals 7,000 bracket 1 plus 0.025 divide 12 the power of 3 divide 0.025 over 12 minus 1 bracket. So S equal 43.84120913 divide 0.025 over 12. So the answer is S equal 21,043 ringgit 78 cents. Ilyasa purchased a new motorcycle priced at 38,000 ringgit. He paid a 5% down payment for the motorcycle and the balance was financed by a bank at 3.97% per annum compounded monthly. The loan requires monthly payments of 477 ringgit 50 cents for 5 years. If Ilyasa missed the first 2 monthly payments, calculate how much he must pay on the 3rd month to settle the overdue payments and interest. The price of motorcycle is 38,000 and he made down payment which is 5%. So A equals 38,000 minus 1,900, so the total is 36,100. And R equals 477 ringgit 50 cents, T equals 5, K equals 0.0397, M equals 12, I equals 0.0397, divide 12, N equals 60. So we use the formula S equals R bracket 1 plus I the power of N divide I minus 1 bracket. So all the information we include in the formula, which is S equals R 477 ringgit 50 cents bracket 1 plus 0.0397 over 12 the power of 3 divide 0.0397 over 12 minus 1 bracket, and we got S equal 4.75488360 divide 0.0397 over 12. So the answer is S equal 1,437 ringgit 24 cents. Immediately after paying the 50 monthly payment, Ilyasa wants to settle the balance of the debt with a single payment. How much should this payment be? So we must find the N. N equal 12 multiplied 5, which is 60, minus 50, so we got 10. So we use the formula A equal R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket the power of negative N divide I bracket. So A equal 477 ringgit 50 cents bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.0397 divide 12 bracket the power of negative 10 divide 0.0397 over 12 bracket, and we got A equal 15.51361011 over 0.0397 divide 12. So the answer is A equal 4,689 ringgit 25 cents.